Hello and welcome to our video. Today we're talking about manifesting a marriage with Neville Goddard's techniques. In this video you will learn the exact procedure Neville Goddard used in order to manifest his wife. As a matter of fact, Neville, with the same technique, managed to manifest his wife and also helped a woman manifest her husband. Neville gives us an exact procedure to manifest not only our soulmate, but also marriage. The most amazing part is that this exact same technique can be used to manifest anything in your life. And also, if you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing. We're going to divide this video in two very important parts. Check the timestamps, with the first part being the exact process of feeling, which means that I am going to guide you and tell you exactly what to feel. And the second will be Neville's method step by step. So let's start. The procedure of manifesting a marriage. The feeling part. The first step of the procedure is to define your wish. A marriage. How would you define your marriage to be manifested? First of all, do not limit yourself by concentrating on a certain man. Instead, imagine a rich and abundant life. Do not confine the state of marriage to a certain man, but a full, rich and overflowing life. You desire to experience the joy of marriage. With this, Neville suggests to imagine a general state of abundance in life, enjoying the state of being married, emotional and physical intimacy, and feeling loved. The second step of the procedure involves holding in your desire without changing it, but adding love. The feeling of love and being loved, the feeling of experiencing love in your life. Do not modify your dream, but enhance it by making it lovelier. The third step is to experience an act that implies the fulfillment of your marriage. An act that implies fulfillment of the marriage is simply a wedding ring. But for those who wonder about the feeling, imagine experiencing the entirety of feelings you would feel if you were married, like loyalty, understanding, comfort, love, etc. All of those feelings into a single state. Imagine a wholesome feeling of how you desire your marriage to feel. Then condense your desire into a single sensation or act which implies its fulfillment. And now for the second part, we have a step-by-step sets. Relax in a comfortable chair or lay down in your bed and relax until you achieve a drowsy but awake state, the state akin to sleep. Start imagining vividly that you are married and that you have a wedding ring on your finger. Start touching the ring, turning it around and pulling it. Neville says to imagine it so vividly that you actually sense the ring on your finger, and it has a distinctive feeling of reality. So much that you feel surprised when you open your eyes and the ring is missing. Immerse yourself in the feeling of having a wedding band on your finger. And in case you're a man that doesn't wear rings, try to induce a feeling of greater responsibility and someone to care for. Feel as if you are already married. And here is the extract from Neville Goddard on how to manifest your desires. And always leave a like if you enjoy our videos. Also, try watching these videos next. Thank you and tune in for the next time.